Dear friends, in this episode, we are going to discuss what is the simple definition of chemistry which can be understood by everyone. So, its simple definition is chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the properties, composition, and structure of elements and compounds, and how they can change, and the energy that is released or absorbed when they change. It is the simple definition, and we can further simplify it as chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of elements, compounds, or matter. That's it. Now, another question which is asked so much time is why is chemistry so important? Chemistry is essential for meeting our basic needs of food, clothing, shelter, health, energy, and clean air, water, soil. Chemical technologies enrich our quantity of life in numerous ways by providing new solutions to problems in health, material, energy, and different uses. So, chemistry is everywhere. Anything that you see is made up of matter, elements, or some sort of chemicals. So, study of that matter, chemical, or is come under chemistry. Another important question asked so many times is what are the four classifications of matter? Everything on earth can be easily described in terms of one of the four forms of matter, that is solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. And another question that's asked is what are the basic things in chemistry, means some of the basic things. So some of the basic things that's in chemistry we study is importance of chemistry, uncertainty in measurement, law of chemical combination, atoms, molecules, matter, mole concept, molar mass, percentage composition, stoichiometry, reactions in solutions, solution chemistry, thermodynamics. These are some things which we study under chemistry. So, another question which is asked, that is what is chemistry in everyday life? So, chemistry, as we discussed above, is very important. Anything that you see around is made up of some matters, elements, compounds, and all that comes under chemistry. So, chemistry is a big part of our everyday life. We start the day with chemistry. One can find chemistry in daily life, in the foods we eat, the air we breathe, cleanings with chemicals, our emotions, and literally every object we can see or touch is made up of some sort of elements, matter. Our body is made up of chemical compounds. What are the combination of elements? So everything is come under chemistry. Another questions asked by students is what are the 10 uses of chemistry? Chemistry has hundreds of uses, millions of uses, but here we list some of them. Body composition. Your body is fascinating place which contains so many elements, compounds, matters, and the treatment of some sort of disease in your body is done with some sort of chemicals that's studied under chemistry. your emotions have delivered by some sort of chemical or compounds. Chemistry is used in food production, chemistry is used in health, chemistry is used in hygiene, chemistry is used in food industry, chemistry is used in baking, chemistry is used in food preservatives, chemistry is used in your digestive system, chemistry is used in vaccines productions, chemistry is used in tablets, capsules, or any sort of medicine productions. Chemistry is used in metal industry, chemistry is used in mining industry, chemistry is used in car production, bike production, aeroplane production, any industry that you think, that is oil, like oil industry, anything that you think is somewhere contain chemistry as the main role in their chemistry labs or in their production lines. So another question is that's so asked so many times: is oxygen a pure substance? Pure oxygen gas consists of molecules, but it is still considered an element rather than a compound, as the molecules are made up of a single type of element. Compound are made up of one or more elements. Ammonia NH3, compound or element? Compound, consists of ammonia molecule. A substance that has a fixed chemical composition throughout is called a pure substance, such as water and nitrogen. A pure substance does not have to be of a single element or compounds. So another question is, how is chemistry used in food industry or in food? Chemical substances can play an important role in food production or and preservatives. Food additives can, for example, prolong the shelf life of food. Others, such as colors, can make food more attractive. Flavorings are used to make food tastier. Food supplements are used as a source of nutrition. So there are different uses of chemistry in food industries. So we here understand what is chemistry in simple language and what are chemistry uses, and so many questions related to chemistry which you come in your mind in daily lives. And we not touch all questions, but we try to touch some of important questions. Please do post your comments under this podcast or video if you watching on YouTube, the topics on which we make our next podcast or next video. Thank you to listening this podcast. Do visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to learning chemistry, getting notes, downloading PDFs, and much more. Thank you.